Installment Cam 101 here. We're in McDonald's somewhere, we don't know, off the 80 freeway, and just stopped for a little bit of sips, and we are heading to Fort Bragg today. We're gonna finally get to go see Glass Beach, right, Granny?
Yes.
Is Glass Beach okay with you?
Yes.
Glass Beach is good, so that's where we're going. All right, we have made it to the coast finally. Journeyed through a lot of mountainous twisties, didn't we?
Beautiful areas.
Beautiful areas. So the last 2 days we've been going through a lot of mountainous roads, and it's been fun, but yesterday was just some extreme riding. So today it was a lot more mellow, and we've done about 200 miles already today, wouldn't you say, Nance?
Yes.
But anyhow, we're on the coast, California coast right now. We're going to Glass Beach. So I guess everybody originally threw their trash over into the ocean, and there was a lot of glass and stuff from vehicles and cars because of the old lenses of cars and everything. So over time, the ocean consumed it all, and what was left is smoothed and polished glass on the beach. So I guess it appears to be like rocks and pebbles, so we'll see what that's like. Sorry for the long dissertation, but that's what it is. So anyhow, what are you laughing about there, lady?
I heard that there was a glass factory and they would just throw things into it. So we'll figure out
Really?
what's true.
We'll see what's true and what's not. I don't think my wife knows what she's talking about. Glass factory. Come on, woman.
I don't know, that's what I heard.
Maybe so. Could have been a glass factory.
Maybe
I don't know. It's all different colors of glass, though. But anyhow, beautiful day now. It's a little chilly riding. It's about 65 out, and walking it's nice, but riding the bikes it was getting a little chilly. So we'll talk to you soon. We're gonna get down on the beach and show you this Glass Beach. So they got this fenced off, so we're trying to find another way to get down. But this looks like Glass Beach. I'm thinking they closed it off because of the cliffs eroding or something, or people are taking too much off of it. So we finally made it to Glass Beach, didn't we?
Glass!
All kinds of glass. There's glass everywhere. Look at sea glass everywhere, as far as the eye can see. So this is where everybody dumped it, and we're kind of in the tide pools down here.
And it was a dump.
It was a dump. It was a trash dump. My wife didn't believe me.
I didn't.
I'm sure it's going to go away because everybody takes the glass. But you can see all the fragments of glass on the beach. It's just pretty crazy. There's just tons of it. They dumped here for years. Pretty cool. Okay, so that's it for Glass Beach. Now where are we going?
Food.
We're gonna go get food, which is always fun. And then we are gonna go to our third campsite for the trip. So site number 3. Hopefully it's a lot better than last night's campsite. Otherwise our itinerary gal is gonna get beat within an inch of her life. No, just kidding. It should be great. That's all for now. Bye. Hey, helmet hair.
I hate you.
Hey, we are in Leggett, California, I guess. We're almost to our campground, and we're in the middle of nowhere, really. But we've been riding a lot of twisties today. Tons and tons of twisties. So, anyhow, doing good, and we're just gonna grab some stuff so we can eat tonight at our campsite, because I don't think there's really any place to sit down and eat. We haven't been doing a lot of sit down eats in the evenings just because of our location, but anyhow, that's okay, not a big deal. So I'll keep you guys posted. That's all for now. All right, we made it to our campsite. We are here, yeah. The bikes made it. We were gonna eat at Denny's, and she said, well, no, there'll be another place we can eat. Lots of places to eat on the coast, but there's really not a lot of places to eat. So we stopped at some rinky-dink market, and so let me show you what we're having tonight. We're having some marinated green asparagus, which is really good.
We're having some provolone and Italian sausage.
Some provolone and Italian salami for dinner, and then I'm heating up some. Oh yeah, look at that. That's some cut up sausage and Propel. And so we've probably rode about 320 to 350 miles today. And it was some extreme riding, really. But today went a lot better. We were on Highway 1 with virtually nobody on the highway. It was pretty cool. Beautiful coast views, and it was just awesome. So if you guys are ever thinking about going out and just doing things, there's so much to do here in our great United States, and so many people don't do it. And so many people sit at home and play video games and do things that just probably aren't conducive to fun. Get out in the outdoors and enjoy life a little bit. If you feel like you're too old, drive a car. If you feel like you're even older than that, take a bus. Who knows? Just have fun. So anyhow, we're gonna keep you posted. We're roughing it right now with our gourmet meal, but I'm not hating life at all. And there's no other place I would rather be than here right now. So that's it. We'll see you soon. All right, well, we're breaking camp this morning, and where are we heading today, Granny? Redwoods. We're heading to the redwoods. So we got about a 5.5 hour ride, probably 280 miles to go today. I'm imagining that there's going to be a lot of twisties again, because we're going up into the forest. So beautiful country, great place to be, great campsite here. This is a lot better than last time. So we got our showers. Again, we're breaking camp, getting everything ready to go. I'm putting her to work, see? Got to keep her working, right? That's all for now.
Cindy.
Okay. Cindy, where are you from, Cindy, originally?
Well, I retired in 2016.
Okay.
Cashed in my 401k, bought my motorhome.
You're full-time?
I'm full-time.
Full-time
Wherever
motorhome.
that motorhome is,
That's where you
home.
live. Oh, that's awesome. Where did you originally?
Well, I was working in the valley, in the San Joaquin Valley in Majesty.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's nice meeting you. She's the camp host here at this wonderful campground. It was actually beautiful. Very nice. On the Eel River, right?
On the Eel River, on the South Eel.
South Eel. Okay.
Yes.
So
South Fork of the Eel River.
we're meeting all kinds of nice people, and she's got a sticker now too, so she's good to go.
I do. I got a sticker.
So we're off the road here, off of 101. We're somewhere in the redwoods, and we've gone about 90 miles, and we saw this friendly little emu over here. How you doing, Mr. Emu? That's a big bird. We are here with Paul Bunyan and Babe. It's called Trees of Mystery. Anyhow, another stop in the redwood forest. We were here, right?
We were here. We're counting this.
We're counting this. She definitely wants to count this. All right, I'm talking on the helmet cam, and we are in Bandon, Oregon. My wife has helmet hair. I apologize in advance, because it really is offensive. It's really offensive, but anyhow. We got a good campground, don't we?
Yes.
And we're going to find some food to eat for a change. This is all uppity, right on the coast in Oregon. Bandon, Oregon. Not Brandon, Bandon. But anyhow, if you just take a look here, I don't have a stabilizer on this, so everything looks good. Stomach's eating my backbone right now, so looks pretty delicious. So we're in the Wheelhouse Restaurant, Crow's Nest Lounge in Bandon. Look at the view. Pretty view. Very nice. Very nice view. What do you think, Granny? Good? She doesn't want to talk to me right now. She's mad at me. That's okay, though. So, we're going to see what we're going to eat here. See if the food is good. I will let you know. Oh my gosh, I'm eating too much food right now. We are cheating hardcore, are we not?
Yes, we are.
I mean, this is our second batch of bread. We've already went through a lot of it. And the main course hasn't come. We had fried oysters, which were delicious. And now the main course is coming. Again, look at the view. Pretty good. Pretty cool. Bandon, Oregon. 2 thumbs up. So we're at Ballard State Park, right? State Beach?
State Beach Park.
Beach Park in Oregon.
What's it called?
And this is our campground. We got a little fire going, or we had a fire going. It may not be going anymore. Yeah, it's going. So we got a little fire going here. Looking pretty good. Got our tent set up, chairs, bikes are over there. We're putting in 300 miles tomorrow, going to Kelso, Longview, and there's another one. Something, anyhow, it's like the Tri-Cities or the Twin Cities or something like that in Washington. I'm gonna go see Nancy's sister, my sister and brother-in-law, Nancy's sister. So anyhow, should be pretty cool, but it was a pretty rough ride. We had that good meal over there in Bandon, and now we're kicking it and relaxing. Right, Granny?
Yes.
Is that what we're planning on doing?
Yes.
Right. Bikes are running good. Everything's going good. We'll talk to you soon. Remember, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. And she's a woman in a cave causing mayhem.